Can you please reply? Thank you. Okay, fine. So yesterday we just discussed about what are the things that we will be seeing in the Salesforce. So hope you got an idea about that Salesforce, what we will be discussing, right? So next in the today's session, as I have promised, I will be just letting you know about the courses, that is the topics what we will see. And I will just let you know what is about the trailer, as you will be having some more what to say dilemma in your mind. So either to take this course, or after taking this course whether I'll be getting a job. So those things will be there in your mind. So let me clear all those things. So yesterday itself I have shown you how the market is as of now for a Salesforce professional. It is for an admin or for a development, right? Basically it will be admin as well as the development, and from that we will be choosing our role based on marketing or any other thing. So first thing, in order to learn the Salesforce gives you a very easy platform which is known as the trialet. Okay, so what you normally mean by a trialet, I will just show you here itself. So the trialet is a gamified online learning platform, right? So this is a very important thing. Gamified online learning platform. Okay, so it will be allowing you to skill up the future that is provided by the Salesforce. So what this trailer will do is, for an example, if you guys have worked on some experiments, right, in the schools or in colleges, so you will be having a faculty over there and he will be guiding, move to this, click this, then note the reading. In the same way, step by step approach they will define here. Okay, I will just show you how the trailer will be. So this is my org that is I will be using here. Okay, so I need to log in again. Let me log in again. Let me show you how the trailer works, because this is very important as you guys have some about this trailer. Okay. So here you can see the trailer links here. Okay. So I will just let you know how to register. First, you just need to register first, as I said before. Then I need to link it. Okay. I will show you about this trailer. Okay. So those who came now, that is new, whether you attended yesterday's session in online, it is first class. That is, it is a demo only. We haven't started anything. I'm just asking whether you just attended yesterday's session through online. No. What about you who doesn't attended at the back? Whether you attended in online session? No. Okay, fine. Fine. So for the new joinees and whoever joined today, I will just let you know again. So myself, Adnan Muhammad, I'm working as a Salesforce developer in Accenture India Private Limited. I have 3+ years of experience as a Salesforce developer. Okay. And before that, I was working as in Wipro as a project engineer in the business technical support Java. And next I was working as a professor in Chennai. in honest. Okay, this is about my background. And in the yesterday's session, in order to give a recap, I just mentioned what is the use of the Salesforce, why the people are moving on to the Salesforce CRM, how the Salesforce CRM market is, the job opportunities. So we have discussed about all those things yesterday. Nothing new than that. Okay. So now in the today's session, what we are planning is, as I promised yesterday, we'll be discussing about what are the topics that we will see in this course as an admin as well as a developer. Then what is the support I will give for you? So those things we are going to discuss today. Okay. Any doubts do you have? Do you want me to ask anything? Okay, fine. So as of now, if it doesn't have any doubts, you can stop me in between if you have anything. Okay, I will answer your query. So now we were just discussing about this trial. Okay, trial in the sense when the Salesforce CRM is there, right? So as I mentioned before, the CRM is known as the customer relationship management. So customer relationship management is I need to make my customer in my firm, and I did not want my customer to leave my firm and move on to other businesses. So how I can make this done? So that is known as the customer relationship management. So here, Salesforce plays a vital role in the CRM. There might be different CRM tools, but Salesforce is at the top as of now. As of now, and for the past 10 to 15 years, it is at the top. So why? Because it is an on demand. For other CRMs, we need to install and we need to work over it. But this Salesforce CRM, we need not want any pre-installation. We can just work on our own. So here we need to have only the browser as well as an internet connection. So that will be working fine for. Okay, because as a human beings, we will just want everything to be done within a fraction of a second. So that is our human mentality. So based on that human mentality only, the Salesforce CRM has been framed. Okay. And these are the different clouds that we will work on, that it is there in the Salesforce. It is not limited to, I have just mentioned some of the different clouds here, which is Sales Cloud, Service, Marketing, Community, Finance, Revenue, and Health. Okay. So if I'm moving on to the Sales Cloud, the example will be your Flipkart or Amazon, where it will sell the product, we will buy the product. So that's it we are going to do. And if it is a service cloud, for the product what we bought, they will give the service if there is any defect. Okay. And I think they will be sharing you the demo link in the YouTube something. So you can just, if you have time, you can just go on to the first class. So we have discussed in detail in the yesterday's session. So I think they will share with you. You can just ask them. Okay. And just I'm getting you the hint here. And now next is the marketing. So marketing is as they are marketing right now, right? So that is a Salesforce session at 7:30 p.m. So that is known as the marketing. So from the marketing, you came to know that there is a session which is online and offline. So people are joining in online, and those who can able to make a physical presence, they are coming in offline. So that is the thing that is working out here, right? So from this, what the Naresh will get, the Naresh Technologies, they will get the money, revenue. So we are teaching and you are paying for that. We are getting the money. In the same way, each and every company will do that, right? So they will get some amount regarding to that, and we need to pay, right? And this thing, now, as I mentioned before, in the last session, I have just mentioned, you are the prospecting customers. Prospecting customers in the sense who are not the customers, but they are willing to buy or they are willing to become the customers. As of now, you are prospecting customers. Prospecting customers will not be charged for anything. They are giving trial period. Alright, in the same way that is known as a prospecting customers. Amazon Prime, try Amazon Prime for 30 days. It's a free trial. So now you are not a customer, you are a prospecting customers over there. So in that way, this marketing cloud is also run. So when this prospecting customer is benefited from the demo session, they are okay with the demo session, what they will do? They will move on to the normal customers. You will pay money and will become a normal customers to the Naresh. So this what? Yeah. Community. So that then comes your community. Community cloud in the sense, when you are login, when you are registering in a Flipkart, then you will become a community user. Okay, then if I am logging in a Flipkart, I am a community user over there. So you can just see here. So this Flipkart allow me to access the website without the login. Right? As of now, I'm not a user at all. I'm just a guest, as we do in malls like window shopping. We won't buy, we'll just roam. So in the same way, we are doing in this Flipkart. Right? If you want to buy any product, I need to sign in or I need to register. So then I become a community user. But we will see about this community user. Then finance. If you are paying money, it is a revenue for me, which that I can hold in my finance. I can make the profit and what is the loss I have, those things. And this health cloud will be totally on the medical. That is the medical field, this health cloud. As I said before, Salesforce is not that it is focused on only one thing. It is on different things in motors, automotive, in cosmetics, in jewelry, in medical, in military services, each and everything, the Salesforce CRM, they are using this because of its n number of user functionality, user interference, experience, etc. So these are the main things. The Salesforce CRM is at the top, right? So these are the things that we discussed yesterday. And next is we are moving on to in the today's session, we are moving on to the trailet. Yeah, come again, please. Yeah, it will be like a one-to-one relationship only. No, it is not like a doctor and a patient, some kind of things. It will be a part. It is not that only doctor patient will be there. It is a part where I can make the inventory process for the medical, everything I can able to control in this health cloud. Both the things are there. It is up to you how you build. For an example, we did a project which is about the eZone one project was there, and it is about the B2C, business to customer. If I target my business to a customer, then that is B2C, business to customer, right? If I am, for an example, Google is there, right? For an example, we'll take Salesforce as an example, not need of Google. Now, Salesforce is developing some CRM tool. Whether they are concentrating on the customers, no, they are concentrating on the business to business. This Salesforce CRM is used by Tanishq or Air India or that L'Oreal Paris because I am giving a business. That business is handled by another business team. So business to business or a business to customers. So it is up to your requirement, how you develop. Either you are focusing for other business or either you are focusing to the end customer. That thing will be there. See here, in the Flipkart itself, you can just see, become a seller. Then what it means? It is both the business to business and business to customer. So both the things are there. I'm giving a business to some other seller too. And I'm giving a business for that seller to interact with the customer. So B2B as well as B2C will come into the picture here. Automated process it will be. That's what I explained, right? If there is some refrigerator or any other thing over there, so what I need to do, I can't able to sit and monitor every time. I need to make an automation process, right? I need to make an automation process over there such that if there is no stock, it needs to print out of stock. That's what I was explaining yesterday. If it is near to 10, then it should mention hurry up, limited stock available. So how it works? Automation, everything. Right? We can't able to do anything, right? We can't able to sit at that and I can't able to watch every time what is going on. Why do we have notification in our mobile? Whether we will check every time WhatsApp. If there is anything sound, then we will take our mobile, right? Because that is automation. If you get a notification, the same thing we will do here. Everything. You will be getting a IRCTC message, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, the seat number, etc. Whether IRCT will send message, it is an automation. Everything will be done by the automation. So that automation we are also going to do. I need to send an email. Whenever this is done, I need to send an email. Whenever Flipkart is launching a new product, it needs to send that message. We'll be getting number of messages from the Flipkart, from the Amazon, sale, billion days, something. Alright? So it is all done by the automation process. Okay, fine. So now this trailhead is a gamification process for learning. Okay, gamification in the sense it is a sort of game. And the Salesforce itself is a sort of learning like structure which involves some games. Okay, very simple to learn. Very simple to learn. Very simple to do things. One main thing is your concentration need to be there. But if you miss even a single thing, your thing, that is whatever the app will not work at all. That is normal in each and every programming. Right? You might construct all the motor, everything is perfect. But I haven't switched on the motor means it won't run at all. The same here. Right? So in the same way, what they are given is in this trailhead, right? For an example, in that trailhead, one custom object topic is there. Okay, I'm going to learn about this topic. If you click here in this trailhead, it will say the normal time they have given is 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, you can able to complete. There is no time duration here in order to complete those things and all. If I click this, right, they will say what we are going to learn. Learning objectives will be there first. Explain how to optimize your org with standard and custom objects. Create a custom object. So there will be something. And with screenshot, they will intimate how to do. And if you scroll down, right, they will say in the Salesforce org, select setup. To open setup, click the object manager tab. If you don't see it, enter object manager. See how simple words they have given. Very simple, because if they are proposing only technical people can do, they need not to mention this, right? Click on the setup, move to the object manager, do this. Fine. But if you doesn't see that, enter this. On the object manager, they have given the symbol. This symbol you need to click, create custom object, and they have mentioned the image. So this how the trailhead will be. So from this, you can able to understand what exactly you need to do over there. So that was the thing here. This is the trailhead. It is not limited to one topic. Many topics are there. Trails, trail mixers, trail academy, trail go, modules, projects are there, trail quest, career path, hire me button, Salesforce fundamentals, trailblazer blog. Many different things will be there. Okay. Yes. And what is the use of this? I'm learning something. You said game. What is that game? Where the game is? So what the Salesforce does is the Salesforce has a journey to Salesforce. One thing will be there. That will be released sometimes often. Okay, that we can able to get all those things in this trailhead itself, where the journey to Salesforce will be there. So in the journey to Salesforce, they will have within this particular time, if you complete all those modules, whatever I have shown, right, you need to complete this module here. And if you complete this quiz and you need to press this, you'll get 100 points over there. So as of now, my points is what? 0 batches and 0 points. I haven't completed anything. Okay. So if you just see here, so initially I will be 0 and 0. Okay. So initially I will be 0 and 0. My rank is scout. Then if I complete one batch with a points 200, I will be a hiker. Then explorer, then adventure, then mountaineer, expenditure, ranger, double star ranger, triple star ranger, 4-star ranger, 5-star ranger, then all-star ranger. All-star ranger in the sense you are all-star in Salesforce. Okay, that is you have completed, and you need to get a batch around 600 batches you need to have. If you complete 100 ranger, 200 double star ranger, in the same way 600 batches you need to get. Okay, what is the use of that? You will get swags. Swags like Salesforce bottle, pillow, umbrella, then wireless keyboard, hoodie, then coupons. Yesterday I was discussing, right, certification coupon, $200. So you need to spend around 21,000. That 21,000 is for free. You can get coupons. So those things, unless you need to complete that journey to Salesforce within the specific time. And you need to register yourself over there so that you'll be getting those things. So in our company, we will do this as a part of game. Who got more bottles? who's getting more pillows, who's getting more umbrella. It is just a pride. Hey, I have Salesforce umbrella, I have Salesforce pillow. So those persons will sleep in that pillow and they will take a snap and they will share. This is just a part of the game, right? So those things also, yeah, marketing also might be, right? So this Salesforce is doing for this marketing. The Salesforce also conducts some developer days, yearly ones. And last time it was in the Hyderabad Convention Center, Novotel. I went over there. That is, we need to pay around 999. That we need not to bother. Company will pay. Okay, that. But what is the main thing is, the first thing, you might get more contacts. You might get more contacts. And again, it is a game over there. What they will do is, they will give 5-person name in your login. You need to find that 5 persons. There will be around 10,000 members. From the 10,000 members, we need to find around 5 members. If you found those members, you will be getting extra 500 points. If you are getting more points, right? So I am the one who was roaming here and there. Me and my colleague, only 2 members went. So we were finding those 5 members, and we got bottle, wireless keyboard, pillow. Then they conducted a quiz. If you get 5 out of 5, they are giving some 1,500 worth of some cleaning mobile device, that then umbrella, those things. Yeah. Again, we kept everything and we posted in the LinkedIn. So further congratulations, everything. Right? And at the last, the main thing is, we won the developer days. We need to complete some challenges. We need to, make competitor with our competitors will be there from Apple, other companies and all. So we need to do something and we can get that medal. If you post that medal, again, it will be such thing. And I doesn't go for this. I went only for food, because it is from the Novotel. It was really nice. Yes, it was literally very nice. In Hyderabad, I had wonderful food over there, breakfast as well as lunch. It was literally good. So this type of game they will be playing. And again, they will be having some puzzles over there. We need to jump in that, so that the some tree structure will be there. It will rise and you will get points for that. So again, we will be learning something as well as we'll be gaining something. So in that way, this will be working. And the best thing is unlimited non-veg. Unlimited non-veg. No one is there to restrict all those things. Okay. And yes, while applying jobs, they might ask, okay, what is your trailer score? In which rank you are right now? At least you need to be in this expenditure when you are applying. That is not mandatory. Sometimes they will ask, but we can't able to predict how the interviewer will ask, right? But when I am taking interview in Accenture, I won't ask this question at all. How much points do you have in this trailer? Certification is a pathway to get a job. It is up to the client again. Salesforce also says, if you have a certificate, it is not that you will get a job. It is a path. That's it. The certificate will be an added advantage. They will say, those who have certificate, come, appointment order is ready, we'll give job. No company will do that. If you have 40 certification also, same interview process you will have. If you have 2 certificates also, the same interview process will be having. No, I'm not. No, not like that at all. Not like that. It's a fake. See, I will be taking interview. I never asked about the certificate. What certificate you did? Never asked that. It is, if I have my B degree with me, that is my B Tech. Is that so I know everything? It is not like that. Certificate will make you are globally certified Salesforce. It won't guarantee job. So that thing you need to keep in your mind. But some companies, they are asking for, if you have certificate, apply. Okay. Certifications required. Some companies, they are mentioning that. But for a fresher, it won't be. Okay, for an experienced person, if they are 3+ years or 4+ years of experience, they are asking certificate mandatory. Because you can't afford 21,000 for the certificate and you can't able to write a certificate. That is not possible at all, to be frank. Right? Because if I'm earning also, I'm just thinking twice. whether I can able to pay. Then my company told, you write the exam. If you pass, we will reimburse. Then only I took the exam. All right. So these many things will be there. Okay. And this batches, it is not about the batches, how much you have. What is about the knowledge, how much you gain. No, I'm not getting what. Mm, mm. Yes, we are covering LWC, right, in this course. If you are not 4+, if you are moving as 1+, also LWC is mandatory. Because right now, every company is moving on with the lightning experience. They are not using that is 2 experiences are there in Classic. One is the lightning experience. I will show you. Whatever we are seeing here, right? This is known as the lightning experience, they will say. This is one sort of UI. Okay. But here, if I move on to this, you can see switch to Salesforce Classic will be there. If I click this, this is known as the Classic experience. So if you need to work on this Classic, even doesn't need LWC. Not mandatory. But they are not using Classic. Before they were using the Classic. But now everyone is shifting to the lightning experience. They're shifting to the lightning experience. So here you need to develop. If you need to develop in this way, here I need to have the LWC. Okay. LWC is about the coding. Okay. It is not VS Code. Don't think in that way. It is an IDE. VS Code is an IDE. Yes, integrated development environment, where I will integrate my Salesforce org with the VS Code. Okay, so if I say that, you will get, I will let you know. Okay, no need to worry. So what it will do is, whatever I am doing there, it needs to reflect in my org, right? Whatever I'm doing, or I'm writing a code, I need to check whether this code is right or wrong, whatever the expected output, whether I'm getting or wrong. In VS Code, there is no something like output in the Salesforce. We need to connect my VS Code with my org. Then only I can able to get the output, whatever is required. For an example, now you got a requirement from the client. You need to do the ditto of this page. You wrote the code. How do you check whether the code is working or not, and whether it is showing the expected output or not? Yeah, error will be there or something, right? So how I can do this? Sometimes this contacts will be here, or this accounts will be here. Something will happen. I need to see visually, right? For that purpose, I need to integrate with my org. I need to see everything. Then I need to move on to the production environment. So these things will be there. Okay. So